Hi everybody, this is Boop in the Tube. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to connect your external hard disk to your computer when it's not working. So my external disk was connected before, but now it's not recognized. What should we do? Let's go ahead without any further ado and show you how to do it. As you can see, this is my USB where my two external hard disks are connected to. But unfortunately it's not recognized. As you can see, it doesn't show in my PC. So go to the back of your computer or to your laptop and unplug that USB. This was the cable, and all we have to do is now to connect this cable to another computer. There's a laptop I got here. Before connecting it to the laptop, remove the external hard disk from this hub. Now connect this cable to, so now we connected this to the laptop. Makes a sound, that means it recognizes it. Now remove it from the laptop, and now we got to connect this back to the computer. Just putting it back to the computer. So now connect back your external hard disks. And it should recognize it here. As you can see, just like a magic, it's been recognized. Now new drive's been added. Problem is solved now. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please don't forget to subscribe by pressing the subscribe button here, or watch my other videos here to your left, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.